Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil, associate with Dialezee Company. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the small shareholder director under the Companies Act 2013. The concept of small shareholder director was introduced to safeguard the interest of small shareholders in company. The appointments of all shareholders director is measured to taken to ensure that small shareholders of a company are adequately represented and to prevent the board of directors from taking a decision that are detrimental to the interest of small shareholders. So according to Companies Act 2013, small shareholders are those who have relatively less shares and so are vulnerable to the dominance of majority shareholders in the company. The provision of small shareholders director was inculcated in the Act of ensure that the decision of the board meet the requirements of fairness and that small shareholders through a board presence would have their interest effectively represented. However, the current provisions of Companies Act 2013 have several shortcomings that impede its effectiveness. The lack of a specific process for the selection of small shareholder directors and the absence of special powers and accountability mechanism for them are some of the issues that need to be addressed. Therefore, it is incumbent on the government and the regulators to conduct a comprehensive review of the current provisions and take remedial measures to ensure effective representation of small shareholders on the board that promotes transparency and accountability in corporate governance and safeguard the interest of all shareholders. So thank you. See you in next video with some more information.